So what are the best 3 intro making apps? So we'll be telling you in today's video, and you can also use it for YouTube videos or for any other purposes. And so if you want to know more, then let's dive in. Okay guys, so as you heard me before, I said that I'll be telling you 3 best intro making apps, and you can also use those intros for YouTube videos or even for other purposes as well. So I'll be telling you that. So I will tell you first the names of the apps, and you can also see their logo down here somewhere. So you will get to know how those apps looks like. And yeah, so you will be familiar from this video, and whenever you go to Play Store or App Store, and by the way, all the links will be in the description, so you can directly go in my description and click that link, and you will be on Google Play Store and directly to that app. So yeah, so if you like it, then you can download it and also share it with your friends and other relatives as well. And yes, so the first name of the app I want to tell you guys is the animated text. Then second is the intro maker, and the third you guys are very familiar, and that is PixelFlow. So I have done a video on PixelFlow, so you can check it out in the cards. So you will get some more information if you go in the cards and check out that video, and also do let me know in the comments for that video that how was it, and if was it good, then just comment that it was good and it was very informative. And if you don't like it, then you can leave some feedback for me and I will work on it, and then you will see the result in my next video or in my new videos which I will be uploading. So let's move on, and I will show you how to make intros in 2 apps which are animated text and the PixelFlow app. Only those 2 apps I have, and in that I will show you how to make your own intro, and it's very simple. And the song which I also used in my intro which you saw before, I can also put the link in the description, so and that will be the YouTube link, so you can go to that video and then download it. So that song is very common too. And yes, so as I said, I will be showing you how to make intro in animated text and PixelFlow. And so now let's go to the animated text app, and so I will show you how to make intro in that. Okay guys, so now we are into the app, and now I will tell you how you can make your own intro in this app which is animated text. You can also see the name right over here, this, and this is the logo, this is the logo. It's pretty good and colorful. And now what you need to do is go over here where I'm going to touch over here, and now you can add your own text. I will just say my YouTube name and tick it, and again you have to click on this play button and tap it, and now you can edit your text. You can find here below more templates, and so for example I will just tell you, so this template, and as you can see, so this is a new update. As you can see the background, so that's a new template which they have added, and you can also change the background color, for example this. So now you can see the background color has changed, and it's pretty good. Also, you can also change your frame size. So by going over here, these three controls, you can see down here below this, and now you can change the size to 1080p and format to landscape. So just click OK, and now your template is turned into a different format, which is the horizontal format. And yes, so when you will render it, it will render in 1080p. You can also see over here, so the size, and yeah, the size is 1080p. So when you will render or export, it will be in 1080p. So this is one intro I use the most in my videos. You have also seen, and I have also chosen a good music which suits this intro. So as I said before, I will also put the link of that song so that you can check it out, and if you like it, then you can download it and use it in your intros. And also that song is completely free, so they will not get any copyright. And then if you want to go more, then you can see this, like this template, and you can change colors according to you, whichever you like. You can also do like this. This also looks good. Then you can obviously decide which color you want, and then you can decide, and once you are decided, then just click over here or tap and save as video. So click on save as video and not save as GIF. So yes, save on video. It's done rendering, and what you need to do is just close this app and go to your gallery, and over there you will find your intro, and then yeah, just you need to add it in your video and you are good to use. So this is one app which I mentioned that I will tell you how to make intro, and this is done now, and you also got how to make. This is very simple, how to make intro in PixelFlow. So let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see now, as again we are into the app, and you can also see here many different templates, but if you are seeing this lock over here, so this means you need to buy a pro version, and then you are able to use that template. And but yes, if you don't see that lock, for example over here, so if you click it, you can preview down here, and yes, so this is the free title or template, you can say. And if you just you click use, then you will go more inside it. So you can also use this title or template to make your intro, and then choose the song accordingly which suits and you also like it. And then here also you can add your own name. So again, for example, I will just type Mehul ShaRma, and you can change the element colors. For example, this, if you saw this X right over here, it's changing colors, so you can change like that, or just do just check colors which you like, and then once you are done, then just close this, and you can also adjust the size and scale where you want, right, left, or center, or down. So according to that you can choose. But there is one problem. If you buy a pro version, you will not get this watermark. When I just click this, you will see those pro templates. So you can see over here this join PixelFlow Pro. So yes, you need to join the pro version, and you can also choose choose price which you want. So yes, if you want single template, then you can choose this template right over here where it says single template. Then if you want for 3 months, then you can buy that for 250 rupees. And then if you want for 12 months, then you can pay 750 rupees. But for me, it's okay, and I don't want that much high templates, pro templates. And yes, so you can also choose audio, and then apply to directly to this template. And then when you export, then you will hear and see your title, and as well as you can hear the music behind. So yes, like this you can choose your templates. And yes, so you can choose according to your choice. There are so many. So yes, and if you go over here on the arrow, then you will go more in depth and you can choose more templates. For example, like this. Then you can also use this app to just this template for style. So like I do, if you have seen my some of my videos like drum covers, so in that I have used this one, then this one. So like this I have used, and these look pretty cool. So you can choose according to your choice. And if you want to save them, so you can see over here favorite. So you can go over here, and then which one you like the most, you can use that most and make your own intro and edit it and export and use them. So guys, this is so easy and so simple to understand. So yeah, that's all, and you can explore it more. So yes, now let's get back into our regular video. So guys, as you saw, I just told you how you can make your own intros in animated text and even in PixelFlow. And now I will tell you how you can make your intro in Intro Maker, and you can see an example right over here. So I have used this app once, but now I don't, and now I use either animated text or PixelFlow. So yes, now I will download it again for you guys to show you how you can make your own intro in Intro Maker, and let's head over it. Okay guys, so as you again saw that I told you guys how you can make your intro in animated text and in PixelFlow, but this intro app is way better than PixelFlow and animated text. I just realized, and I don't know why did I stop using this app. But yes, as you saw before, that small preview of that intro, and yes, that intro was my very first intro, and I haven't used it much in my videos, but I had made that intro using this app only. And today in this app we are going to look for the popular and the game section, as you can see. And you can also, if you go in popular section and see all, then you can see more text, and these are also free. So here's the game section. So if your channel is related to gaming, then you can take any intro from this app and then start making your own intro. So for now I will take this intro only, and I have already downloaded this template, so in 1080p. So now we are inside the edit section. If you just swipe like this, or even just tap this play button, then you will see the template. And if you want to add title, then you can see here in blue section, just tap here and you can add your own text. So again I will just go ahead and type my name. So here we go, and tick, and you can also choose fonts which you want. And again in this you have to buy the pro version, and so it's the same like PixelFlow. So I have chosen my font and I will go ahead and tick. So yes, and if I just play, then you will see the result. So here it comes, and like this you can make your own intros, you can add music, and yes, so for intro, then they already have their own song presets in the app, so you can just download it inside the app and then use it. And these are all free, so you will not get any copyright claim on your videos. So this is a very good app, and you can obviously check it out, and as always all the links will be in the description, so you can go in my description and check it out. But yes, as I said one more time before, that you can see this watermark right over here, so like this pink, so that's their watermark, this one. And again you need to buy the pro version, as I said before, for the text as well. And yes, so if you want then you can buy them, and they also have an offer which is VIP forever, and they have 65% off, so you can use this VIP offer and pay 590 rupees, and then you have unlocked all the templates and texts, so you can use any text in your intro. And yeah, that's all. So guys, there you have it. I hope you had enjoyed this video and got some value out of this video, and if you did, then give this video a like. If you are new to this channel and are interested and want more videos, then consider subscribing and click that small notification bell, so that you will not miss any of my new videos whenever I upload. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.